Hey, this is Dr. Mark, and I have a very important question for you. If you could save someone's life without risking your own, would you do it? Of course you would. And the next question then is, well, how many lives would you save? Hopefully as many as possible. Well, today's video is all about saving lives and saving people from a life of pain and suffering, a life of poor health, a life of limitations, a lifetime of medication. You see, October is officially Spinal Health Care Month. Each year, the governor signs a proclamation recognizing October as Spinal Health Care Month. And as a chiropractor, I really love this because it allows us to focus and spread awareness of the importance of a healthy spine and nervous system and really what that does to someone's health in their life. Now, you might be asking, all right, Doc, what does Spinal Health Care Month have to do with saving lives? Well, I can't tell you the number of people over the last 20 years in our practice who, after improving their health and regaining their health in their life, when they tell their story, just literally shed tears of gratitude, so thankful for the person who referred them in. Because without that person, they wouldn't have gotten their life back, they wouldn't have gotten off the medications, they wouldn't be enjoying life again. So make no mistake, when you refer someone in for a spine and nervous system checkup, you literally have the power to not only save their life, but change their life and improve their life. Now, in our practice, our mission has always been to help educate, adjust, and empower as many families in our community as possible to help them express and maintain their optimal health potential. And in order to achieve that, we need your help. Now, I'll admit this year we've been off our mark a bit. We've been off our game a little bit. If you saw the video we did a few days ago, you understand we've had some challenges this year with Dr. Colleen's father and his health declining, and just a number of distractions and challenges there, and so we've been off our mark a little bit on our mission, and so October being Spinal Health Care Month just reminded us of our purpose. And so we're taking advantage of this month to really get back on track and reach out and help more people in our community. But in order to do that, we need your help. We have a goal of checking 30 new people this month. And that's just one a day. And I think we can achieve that, but in order to do that, again, we need your help. And I know there's lots of you in the practice who are just raving fans of chiropractic. You've gotten great results, you love getting adjusted, and you're not afraid or embarrassed to tell anybody and everybody. You talk about it everywhere you go, and we appreciate that. We thank you for that. Keep it up. And I know just in talking with other practice members, you might have some frustration with people. You're trying to help and they just won't listen, or they put up some walls, or they have excuses. And number one, don't quit. Sometimes people need to hear a message 4 or 5 times before they take action. But in today's video, I do want to help you with that, because referring somebody in to the office for a spine and nervous system checkup should be easy. It shouldn't be stressful. You shouldn't be embarrassed or afraid to do that. In talking to people every day, you refer or you recommend a movie you saw recently that you liked, or you recommend one of your favorite restaurants. There's no stress there. That's super easy. We do it all the time. And it should be just as easy when we're recommending chiropractic care, because we know how amazing it is. We know when we get those subluxations clear. We know when we're connecting the brain and the body, everything just gets better. Not just pain relief, but their whole health gets better and their whole life changes. Relationships improve, their work improves, so many things. So I want to help you with this. I want to give you just maybe a couple talking tips or talking points so that you know what to say when you're talking to somebody, or if they throw up a question or a response. Now, again, every day we're talking to friends, colleagues, people from church, family members, maybe even strangers, a cashier, somebody at the bank, or anywhere. And here's how this can look, okay? So it's Spinal Health Care Month, right? How easy is that as an introduction? So you're talking to somebody and you say, hey, did you know October is Spinal Health Care Month? And most likely they're going to say no. And after that, you can say, yeah, man, I love going to the chiropractor. My chiropractor is awesome. I love getting adjusted. It's helped me so much. If you have a personal story there, you can insert that. Talk about whatever challenges you had and how it improved. But just you can talk it up a bit, and then follow it up with, so who's your chiropractor? Who do you go see? Most likely, they're going to say, well, I don't have one, or I don't see one. Occasionally, you'll get somebody who does, and great. Now you've got something in common, and you can talk about that. But if they haven't, this gives you an opportunity to say, well, man, you are in luck. Because October is Spinal Health Care Month, My Chiropractor is doing this awesome program for people just like you, people who haven't been there, who are new patients. And what it is they have what they call their new patient package. And it's your first 2 visits, and that includes your very first adjustment. So you get to experience what this awesome thing called chiropractic is all about. And this month, because it's Spinal Health Care Month, they're doing it for half off. It's only $49. How easy is that? So that's a great way to just, hey, mention what we do here. We do this with every new patient, and this month we're honoring Spinal Health Care Month with a half off special. Now, right then and there, you can pull out your swipe card. Our phone number's right on there. In fact, you can even boop, boop, dial on your phone, hand it to them, and say, hey, don't wait, schedule an appointment right now, because this is really important. If you haven't had your spinal nervous system checked, you really need to. Now, we also have special VIP cards in the office, so on your next visit you can pick up a few of these, keep them in your purse or your wallet or your car, and this has the half off special stamp right on the back. But they might follow it up with a couple different questions, and one common one that people hear a lot is, well, yeah, but I don't have any back problems. I don't have any back issues. So here's how you answer that. This is really easy, and again, this is meant to be fun. This is not meant to get into an argument with somebody. This should be stress-free, and this is how I would answer that question. So, yeah, but I don't have any back problems or back issues. I say, man, you know what? That is the biggest myth and misconception about chiropractic out there, and that one tops the list. See, let me tell you something. Chiropractic, it's not about your back. Chiropractic is about your life. You see, the brain controls everything, right? So it has to get its messages out to all the cells, tissues, and organs in the body. Well, how does it do that? Those messages have to go down the spinal cord, which is inside your spine, and then out all the nerves to all the parts of the body. Because nothing works without the nervous system. It's not only responsible for how you feel, but more importantly, how you heal and how your body's functioning. And if you're not functioning right, you're not healthy. So our spine is one of the most stressed and abused and traumatized parts of our body. So it gets misaligned, just like your teeth can get misaligned, and chiropractors call those subluxations. You don't have to use that term if it's too fancy for you, but the spine gets misaligned and gets injured all the time, and that can affect the nervous system, and that can change how the brain communicates with the body, and then those parts of the body won't work right. They won't work at 100%. So that's how over time people can get sick, and they can get chronic illnesses and diseases. Their immune system can get suppressed, so many things, and it's really quiet and subtle. So don't put off getting your spinal nervous system checked until you just have a backache or a neck ache. And then it's too late. You've already got a problem. So, hey, I would encourage you, get in right now, get your spinal nervous system checked, and when you go in, they're going to take awesome care of you. They're going to take really good care of you. They'll look into insurance and all that stuff for you. You don't have to lift a finger, and you are going to love getting adjusted. Man, you feel fantastic. It's like the lights turn on, the power gets turned on. You're going to love it. Now, it's as easy as that. That's how you do it. And honestly, I can tell you from our experience with practice members, when someone gets referred in, they are super thankful once they get going on this thing called chiropractic, and you're going to feel great because you've made an impact in their life. Now, if you're watching this video and it's been a long time since you've been in, maybe it's been over a year, and you're watching saying, oh, man, I've been thinking about this, I really should get in there, give us a call, tell us you saw the video, and you're going to get the same special. We might need to kind of start things over with a new exam, a new evaluation, but let's get you in, let's get you checked, let's get you adjusted. October Spinal Health Care Month, we have a goal of checking 30 people. We need your help to do it, so let's do this thing. I'll have here on the video the website, lifetimewellness.net, and the phone number 628-4886. Also, I mentioned the video we did a few days ago. That's a really important video too. If you haven't watched that, go back and watch that. I'm going to put a link below in this email so you can go back and check that video out. Really important message from both Dr. Colleen and I on that video. But October, Spinal Health Care Month. Let's see you soon. Let's reach this goal. Again, this is Dr. Marc from Lifetime Wellness, your source for everything health.